In this video, I'll show you how to fix SRT subtitles that are out of sync using Camtasia. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. A quick scenario here is, as I'll show you in a bit, is that let's assume an intro is added to a video that you created and you already had subtitles made for that video. Now, obviously, based on that, the synchronization of the subtitles that you had is going to be lost. Sometimes also subtitles may move, especially when you're working inside Camtasia accidentally, and you result in an issue of no synchronization. So I'm going to show you a video. Let's just import our media. Import a video, import media, and then we can just add it to the timeline. So here's our video, and the audio begins at this section. Now we are going to import captions or SRT subtitles into Camtasia, and if you cannot see the captions tab here, click on more and then you'll see the captions here. Click on that, and once you click on captions, the option to import captions is not clear, but it's under this gear icon. Just click on that and then click on import captions. Navigate to the folder with the captions that are out of sync, and then these are our subtitles. They are SRT subtitles, and this just means sub-rib subtitles. They're simple subtitle formats that are more or less can be read by any note editing application. So just click on that and click on open. And once I do that, our subtitles are going to populate on the timeline. If I just make sure we fit everything inside here, you'll notice that the subtitles go way overboard from what we have as the audio waveform. Two important things: when you see the text and also when you see the waveform. If I zoom in slightly here, you'll notice that, let's just zoom out slightly, you'll notice that there's a blank section where there is no text here, but the subtitles begin at this section. As for the waveform, where the audio is being played or being heard, it begins at this section. Clearly, this shows you that the subtitles are out of sync. And if I play, with the recent update on the YouTube interface, it's now easier than before to download YouTube transcripts. The subtitle for this particular text comes in extremely late. So since we can see the waveform here and we can guesstimate by how much and where it begins, and our assumption is it's only this section that is affected because of this section. So what you need to do here is pretty simple. You can just hold this end, and once you hold, you'll see the whole subtitle highlight. I can just zoom out so we can see everything. Hold this end and then bring this to the side. If we zoom in, what I want us to do is to target bringing everything back, because in Camtasia all subtitles are going to be highlighted if you imported the subtitle. So we're just going to keep moving back, move back until we get to the start. Then we'll notice the distance we have between this section. We just need to bring this again here and then move this whole subtitle block or caption block, move this again and then move this back. If we can just zoom in, we just want to make sure that we get the synchronization correctly. So it's somewhere around, just one more. I'll press the comma key, just one more. That looks good, just like a fraction of a second, and then we can just move this back. Now if we play our audio in the video, let's begin from the start, we'll notice that the subtitles are more or less now in sync. With the recent update on the YouTube interface, it's now easier than before to download YouTube transcripts. Hi, my name is Dave. It's more or less in sync. Now, this is very, very simple inside Camtasia, because when you import a subtitle, it comes in as a block. I'll show you in the next tutorial how you do it using Premiere Pro. In Premiere Pro, it's a little bit different because Premiere Pro doesn't recognize blank captions, and therefore it puts each caption, this caption text or this caption block, for example, believe you should never stop learning, as an individual asset on the timeline. So I'll show you how to do it in Premiere Pro, but that is how you can fix SRT subtitles that are out of sync using Camtasia. I hope this tutorial has been of value to you. If you're interested in fixing subtitles that are out of sync because of maybe an intro that was added, or maybe somebody accidentally moved the subtitles and now they're no longer in sync. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay safe and never stop learning.